there is our title. I want you to title it just like that, Division Properties of Equality. Today's date is the 16th for you guys. Put the date on there. So Reagan and you all are here now? Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, almost everybody today so far.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get that title down. Division Properties of Equality, 2/16/21 for your date. Line. If you divide one side of an equation by a number, you must divide the other side by that number.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So after that paragraph there that you wrote, that is our formula, I guess you can call it. So if A equals B, then A divided by C equals B divided by C. Oh, my dad brought me coffee again today. I was so excited.
Oh, how sweet.
Well, he had to bring my kid back because she was down there all weekend visiting her sister and her grandparents. So.
Oh, okay.
Because her sister's
All right, well.
back she was in Vegas with her boyfriend at their family house doing online school, and then I guess Laverne opened up for the labs that she has to do, so she came back to do labs and stuff. So there you go. All right, let's look at these two rules that we want to have. Put them anywhere, I don't care. I have mine to the side. So if our first number is missing, we're going to multiply. If our second number is missing, you will divide. Those are the two rules you're going to need to refer to as you're doing these problems. Once you have that ready, guys. Okay, so we know if we have 12 divided by 4 equals 12 divided by 4, that it's equal, right? Because both sides equal 3 when we divide those. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, but we know we get harder ones, right? We don't have these easy peasy ones all the time. Let's look at another one that would be equal. 6 divided by 3 equals 6 divided by 3. Because both sides equal 2. So remember, that's our goal, to make both sides equal the same number. And then our answer is always whatever number's missing, not what both sides equal. Some of you tend to put that, so I want to clarify that. Come on, man. This thing is not working for me today. Move. All right, let's look at an example. Okay. This is where that chart might come in handy, unless you're really good with these, which some of you might be. So
I can't write that fast.
Huh? Oh, yeah, I forgot you're writing it. Go ahead. Write it down, and we'll do the example in a minute. First one. Okay, we need to figure out what 60 divided by 3 is. What is it, you guys?
20.
20? Did everybody get that? Everybody agree with that? Anybody? Y'all alive out there?
20 divided by 1 is 20.
Okay, I'm getting one person, Mr. Daniel, telling me that 60 divided by 3 is 20. Yes, it is. So now we have to make this side equal 20. Yes, you can probably tell what that one would be. But if we use our rule, we're missing our first number. So we're going to multiply this number times this number to get this. So that would be a 20. And yes, some of them are visual. You don't need to use the rules. But some of them you're going to look at and go, and so you're going to need to use that rule. Anybody have a question on how we got that one? Okay, let's write down this next example. 8 divided by 4 equals 12 divided by what number? Go ahead and write that down. And then remember, your first job will be to figure out what that is. Okay, we ready? Anyone need me to wait? We all caught up? Please answer me, people, besides 2 of you.
Oh, yeah.
We're good? Okay, I got another one. All right. Okay. 8 divided by 4. Tell me what that is.
Thank you, Reagan.
Yes, I see Reagan now. Thank you.
Me too.
8 divided by 4 is 2. Correct. Okay, now we have to make this equal 2. Oh, whoop. 2. Look how my brain does that sometimes. Okay, so we're missing the second number, so we're going to divide. So you would literally just divide 2 and 12, right? So if we wrote that in our little box, it would just look like that. So then what number is going to go here, you guys? 12 divided by 2 is what? Good job. Thank you, Noah. Everybody else get that? So now we have our sides the same. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, let's see if Keisha's right. So 16 divided by 2 is what? Anybody tell me? Or were you just telling me what the side equaled, Keisha? Okay, we have 8, right? So we need to make this side equal 8. So we're going to divide this number and this number. So if we're looking at that visually, it would look like that. So then 40 divided by 8 is what? Yes, Bryson. So remember, our answer will be the one that we put in for the missing number. I don't want 8s. I want the 5. Okay? Nice. All right. Let's get that second one going. Tell me what 100 divided by 10 is. Okay, Noah's saying
No, it's
10.
not 10.
Yes, yes. We all know 10 times 10 is 100, right? That's how we can check that. Okay, so we need to make this side equal 10. Visually, we probably know what that is, right, guys? What's that number? What's our missing number? 10, right, because we're missing the first one. So all we're going to do is multiply this number by this number. So 10 times 1 is 10. And that's it. Any questions, guys, before we start our assignment?